Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Google Password Manager easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Google Password Manager, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Google website. From the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon, represented by a grid. Select Account from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Security. Scroll down to the Signing in to Other Sites section. Locate and click on Password Manager. You will be redirected to the Google Password Manager page. To set up Password Manager, ensure you're logged into your Google account. If prompted, enter your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you may see an option to enable Password Manager. Click on the toggle switch to activate it. Next, download the Google Chrome browser if you haven't already. Visit the Chrome download page and click the Download Chrome button. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Chrome is installed, open the browser. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots to access the menu. Navigate to Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, find Autofill on the left side. Click on Passwords. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is turned on. Also, enable Auto Sign-in for smoother access to your saved passwords. To add a new website password, navigate to the website where you wish to save credentials. Enter your username and password as required. Chrome will prompt you to save the password. Click Save to store the credentials in Google Password Manager. To view your saved passwords, return to the Passwords section in Chrome Settings. You can search for items and manage your saved passwords from this interface. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication for your Google account. You've now successfully downloaded and configured Google Password Manager. Enjoy secure and convenient access to your passwords across devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.